Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you are all doing great today. I'm so kind of excited. The tutorial that I'll be doing today, I followed Beatfacehoney makeup tutorial. It's kind of a little bit challenging because she is a celebrity makeup artist. I hope I get it right. I hope I get thumbs up. I hope I get comments and more subscriptions. So let's get this ball rolling without wasting much of your time. Thank you all for watching.
New palettes. I'm learning that I love their palettes because with each one that they send me, I've not been disappointed. These are the Glam Reflection palettes. Sorry that they're reflecting my finger.
Kind of lost the track, the video clip where she was applying the primer. The primer she uses by MAC is called the paint pots. Is like white color like this. I don't have that, but I pick up another primer from MAC, which is Prep+Prime. That's what I'm using to prime my lid.
I'm working out of this palette, the Glam Reflection L'Amour palette from BH Cosmetics. I love this because it's so big.
As you all can see, I don't have that glam palette that she just showed, but I pick up a palette that I have at home by BH Cosmetics. It's 120 color palette. That's what I'll be using to achieve this look today.
And that first color that I used was this one, and now I'm going to go over to this one. That first brush was a Sigma brush. It was the E40 from Sigma, and I'm moving into a second brush. This is a brush from MAC, the 221.
So I don't have that brush as well, but I have a brush by Mikasa. I'm using the one that is called E310. That's what I'll be using to apply the second shade.
Color, focusing that in the crease, and then carrying it up, blending it into the lighter pink. And I'm just going to go between these two brushes and these two colors and try to merge them. I'm going to take another MAC 221, picking up that same palette again. I'm going to go one over and use this purpley color.
So in order for me to have that deep purple, I pick up the palette by Kiss. It's called Dear Diary series, and I pick up the darker purple shade in that because the palette from BH doesn't have that.
Focusing that in the crease. Now I'm switching palettes and going into the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Smoke palette, and I'm using the darkest purple in that same soft ochre primer, going above my natural crease. And just cut my line out.
So that was the same one she used to prime my lid when she started the makeup. I don't have that. That's from MAC. So I'll be using the LA Pro Girl Concealer in shade Truffle. That's what I'll be using to cut my crease. The first eyeshadow that she used was an orange eyeshadow shade from the palette that she's been using. So I pick up an orange eyeshadow which I already applied on my crease.
There. Now I want to go into this palette, the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Rosé palette. And I'm going to use this color right here. That's my lightest color, and then I'm merging it into that orangey color.
I kind of figured that the orange shade wasn't showing the way I expected it to show, so I pick up the palette again and I apply a little bit more.
Going back into the smoke palette, I'm going to use this orange. So pretty. Overlapping in the center there, but not carrying it all the way out because I want to leave room for my darkest color to smoke that area out.
And I went ahead and picked up a plain brush without no product on it. I used that to blend. I pick up a makeup wipes to clean the edge of my outer corner of my eyes in order for me to have that sharp angle so that it will make it look a little bit kind of neat.
Okay, it's called the all-nighter. You gotta be careful with this stuff because it dries like.
So I don't have the brand that she just used, but I do have the one from Estee Lauder, Double Wear Stay in Place Flawless Wear Concealer. I'll be using the one number 06 Extra Deep.
Really quick. You gotta move quickly and make sure that it's blended right. So a lot of the product that you guys see me use isn't necessarily what I carry.
I do not have the kind of brush you use to contour, okay? So I pick up my beauty blender to use it to contour my forehead just like the way she was doing it.
I got this brush so long ago from NARS and it's great for this. I just found it and I was like, oh, I haven't used that in a long time. Yes, give the girl some color. And I think the fact that it's pink, I don't know if you can tell, back here. It's definitely pinker than your average translucent.
Of course, I do not have that brand, so I pick up my e.l.f. setting powder. That's what I'll be using to set my face today.
Delinquent. So I'm just gonna take the torch, and it really is like true to the name. It's slides on. It's super easy.
Go ahead and pick up some 3 eye pencil from Marc Jacobs, 3 shade orange, purple, and black. I don't have that brand, but I do have the one from Younique, and that's what I'll be using as well. I then pick up a brush to blend the 3 shades together, just like she did in her video. When I saw this part, it was a gel liner she used. I was like, no way. But I said, well, I can do this. So I went for it and I got it right. I was so happy, like seriously, I was so happy that I was able to get it right because I am not that comfortable with gel liner. But I did it this time.
Much luck. Okay, I'm gonna use this as my lash. Dodo Lashes D115.
Aha, Dodo lashes I don't have, but I do have some sets of false lashes that I use at home, so that's what I'll be using, and it does look good. By the way, I got my lashes from Amazon. It's called 100% Mink 4 3D false lashes. I'll be putting the links of this product that I use in my description box as well.
I used Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter, and I went from Tear Duct, and then I carried that all the way over, just in between the purple and the orange. Now I can put.
And again, I do not have that brand at all in my makeup kit, but I do have the one by BH Cosmetics. It's called their glitter eyeliner in shade Riot. That is what I'll be using today.
I like this because it's obviously like a highlight, but it's a little.
I do not have the brand of highlighter that she used, or I'll be using the one by Becca. The palette that I used to create this look is from BH Cosmetics, but it's totally different from the one that she used in her video. And the lipstick as well, they are not the same. I didn't really like the color of the purple when I applied it, and I went ahead and put a pink on it in order to tone it down. At the same time, I didn't really feel it. I wasn't feeling it at all. So I said I'm going to just go ahead and pick up another lighter shade of pink, which I applied on, and I so much love it. Below is the palette of lipsticks that she used that was sent to her free by Marc Jacobs, if I'm not wrong. But I enjoy doing this look. I hope you all enjoy watching it. Please leave me a comment and please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.